Welcome to our podcast about deforestation. My name is Alex. We're here to discuss the problems caused by deforestation and some of the solutions that have been proposed to stop the issue. There are a few other students joining me today, so I will let them introduce themselves as well.
My name is Jacob Nihan.
My name is Sarah Pegler.
My name's Anthony Bartolucci.
And I am Jacob Widlits.
First of all, we wanted to discuss some of the history regarding deforestation. Since mankind started farming and using domesticated husbandry, our forests have started to suffer. Also, since the early times, war has led to the destruction of trees from battles and for producing war goods. Most significantly, the two world wars physically destroyed a lot of woods in Europe. With the increase in urbanization over human existence, we have been tearing down forests for land to build on and for building materials. In addition to urbanization, industrialization has also contributed to deforestation. Trees that absorb carbon have been needed for carbon-producing factories. As you can see, that's kind of an issue.
Next, we're going to talk about some of the main issues associated with deforestation, which come as effects to some of the causes Jacob discussed. The first main issue is the loss of habitat for animals. National Geographic reported that 80% of land animals live in forests. Without a home, many of these species will become extinct before they have a chance to see their habitat regrow. The second main issue regarding deforestation is less access to clean air. The number of plants undergoing photosynthesis decreases with every tree that is destroyed in the process. This results in a surplus of carbon dioxide in the air and less oxygen. According to Sciencing, in 2011, forests throughout the U.S. removed only 14% of the carbon dioxide emitted into the air. Trees are much larger than other plants that undergo photosynthesis, so they produce much more oxygen, which in turn is why they are much more valuable.
Now we can discuss how the marijuana industry is causing increased rates of deforestation in states like California. The effects highlighted in the article written by Science Daily states that with increased legalization throughout America, the marijuana industry has been increasing. Through this increased deforestation, things like soil erosion, obvious deforestation, and runoff have become more prevalent.
But how quickly will this affect us? Hundreds of species are already going extinct every year due to deforestation. From insects to cute and cuddly sloths, every day we lose another species important to our global ecosystem. It is also predicted that within the next 100 to 300 years, all of our forests will be completely gone. In fact, in the last 25 years alone, we have removed about 3% of our global forests, compared to a 50% decrease over the previous 2.6 million years, according to FAO.org. Lastly, we are going to talk about some of the solutions that have been proposed to slow or stop deforestation. Some of these solutions are for corporations or large-scale businesses, but some of these can be done by an individual person, just like you.
Some of the solutions, as previously stated, can only be implemented by corporations. For example, companies can enact policies that counteract deforestation, like not working with suppliers that produce in an unsustainable way. They can also use recycled products, like composite or plastic woods. Agricultural businesses can discontinue agricultural practices that threaten forests. That being said, a few of these solutions can in fact be performed by the average person. Individuals concerned with deforestation can help by using recyclable materials, eating sustainable food, and even through using charcoal instead of firewood. Even simple steps, like picking a product at the store that is made from sustainable practices, can help improve our planet and prevent further destruction. Most importantly, people can educate others on the impacts and issues associated with deforestation.
Adding on to the solutions a bit, Independent.com states that Spain is building fake graveyards to prevent urban sprawl. This is a graveyard in the middle of wooded areas to prevent the exploitation of timber. And since the cities are expanding worldwide, all around the world, Spain has come up with a way to prevent certain areas from being affected from that development. This is sparking creative solutions to worldwide deforestations and other natural problems.
Overall, the effects deforestation will have on the environment will greatly affect the population in the future. We need to take action as soon as possible so that future generations can enjoy nature as we do today. Chances are, landscaping around the world will look drastically different than it does today. Deforestation is more of an issue than many people think it is, but by taking action now, we can prevent some of the disastrous effects coming in the future. Everyone can help in their own way. Thank you for listening.